everyone, my name is Ratri Dyah Luvita. I'm here. I will present a reaction on the text that have been carried out. Number one, what important things do you bring up in the text? In studying topic 1 to topic 4, I learned a lot of things starting from myself and family, work and hobbies, school and the environment. In this various topic, I learned how to compose descriptive text orally and writing related to myself and my family, with the aim of introducing myself to other people using good grammar and also telling friends information through interview. Then in the next topic, I learn about hobbies and work. Then tell other people about my hobbies using language that is easy to understand and organize an activity using steps to carry out an activity so that it can be imitated or carried out. In the next topic, I studied relate the Greek context, where I create a context related to my first school experience. I also studied bullying material. By studying this material, it is hoped that it can provide understanding to people in the surrounding environment to minimize the occurrence of bullying cases. The next topic is related to the environment, including issues that occur in the surrounding environment: water pollution, air pollution, forest burning, and how to manage this so that this does not happen. What is done in to create persuasive text using the correct step in accordance with applicable rules so that the persuasive text created can be applied by oneself and others in the future. Number 2. Why is this important to discuss in the text? The reason why these things are important to talk about is to live in discussion. Of course, we always live side by side with other people, and sometimes we also meet new people. So, I think self-introduction is important at the beginning of activities because getting to know one person and another person can make it easier for someone to get involved in opening to the topic of conversation. Introducing yourself will of course be an important thing if you do it at the beginning of an acquaintance with a friend. During the job application process, making introduction at the start of a lesson. Apart from that, the next topic is also discussed regarding hobbies and work. This is important because we can provide information related to hobby and work to other people and can also exchange information related to hobbies and work so that we can find out about the hobbies and jobs of other people around us. Us and can also organize various things used in activities, appropriate sequence of steps. Then in the next topic, bullying cases that occurred in Indonesia were explained. I also learned to make context based on the experience I had when I first entered school. I think reading context is important because it can hone my reading skill using English. Then by reading a persuasive text, it is important to discuss it because by reading a persuasive text, we exchange facts, then ask various arguments that can be used the add material so that a conclusion can be drawn about an invitation to carry out an activity that can be done through text, written that is persuasive and can be useful for many people. Number 3. What impact do you want the writing to have? The impact I want to make is that by studying this material, I can add to it and be able to introduce myself using appropriate sentence and grammar easy for other people to understand. So I can build new relationship with other people through this reading. The impact that I want to produce from the activity of reading a step in a procedure text is possible to become more aware of how to break down the sequence of activity that are often carried out using vocabulary, and I can explain this sequence of carrying out activity based on the steps that have been made by other people. Friends, lay relative. In topic 3, I learned to read context based on the experience I had when I first entered school. In my opinion, learning to read context is very useful for me because it can hone my reading skill using English. The new knowledge that I gained through the activity of reading persuasive text is I can know, understand, and can read persuasive text that occur in the environment based as existing fact. So with this, I can understand in the influence of humans on the environment. With persuasive reading, relate in environment issues, deforestation, air pollution, I can compile persuasive text using correct vocabulary and can invite people to increase awareness of the environment through the reading I read. Number 4. What will you do to improve the quality of the writing? What I will do to improve the quality of my writing is use various relevant references so that grammar and sentence usage can be adjusted with needs so that it can convey the meaning and the and purpose of sentence. Therefore, I will also communicate with friends, teachers, and lecturers to improve my understanding is related to the material that has been discussed from this topic 1 to topic 4. With the hope I can share the knowledge I have gained with other people through the writing I made. I will learn how to write persuasive text will according to the steps that have been explained, so that the content of the text can be conveyed well to the person, the reader. Writing the text will also use the correct data and source, so that the truth can be confirmed.